Hello guys, so today we are going to discuss about the top 5 AI tools which can make your life much easy. Whether you are a YouTuber, whether you want to create your own website, whether you want to write or extract some data from the website and create it as a question answer set, or you want to remove background from your video, or you want to make some changes with an images or do some sorts of adjustment with your images, all in one. You can get all the things done with these 5 websites. Okay, so let's get started with the very first one, that is Runway. Okay, Runway is one of the very amazing AI tools which has been available in the market for free, and if you want to upgrade, definitely you can upgrade to get more additional features and also faster downloads, etc. Now you're seeing that I wanted to create a text to video thing. So what I did was I just searched for create a video where I'm sitting in a beach, and see it created a video for me. Okay, not only that, you can do much more things with that. Okay, so this was the option from here: generate videos and text to video stuff. Okay, you can create a video or video as well. I mean, if you upload a video, it will upload any video and it will just transform the video to look like absolutely new. Okay, not only that, you can edit videos and generate images as well based on the text you pass. So a very good tool here to explore. Definitely worth checking website. I'll put all the links to these website in the description, so please go and check out this. Okay, next tool is called as Mixo. Mixo is one of the tools which you can use to create websites. Okay, so if you just go to Mixo website and you click on login, once you're logged in, you will be seeing a pop-up screen like this saying that what's your startup idea. So if suppose you want to sell something in the market, okay, so sell my products in the web. So if you just click on generate site, so this will be connecting to the AI, and you can see all the steps going on, designing a logo, etc., and it will actually create a website for you where you can directly host it in the internet, and you will get all SSL certificates, etc., available there. So see, this creates a simple website for you. Okay, where you can register email ID, you see the reviews, and you also have some images there which explains about your business, and it's just one click away. You can just save and customize template, and then and that's all. You can just host your website in within 15 minutes or 10 minutes. Okay, so that's a very amazing tool, guys. The link will be in the description as well. Next one is Vistolia. It's one of the Chrome extensions where you can actually capture data from any website, and then you can create questions out of it. These are helpful for students, teachers, and working professionals if they want to actually create some sort of question answer, flashcards for someone, or they can create a paper, or you can say an examination paper where they can actually put these questions. So what you have to do, you have to just click on this search for this extension, and just click add to Chrome, and then you will start seeing that it's added to Chrome here. Okay, Vistolia. Then you can go to any website. I'm going to a Medium website where we have some documentation. Like for example, let me go to this particular Medium website where we are talking about some comparison in AWS services. So what you have to do, click there and click on Vistolia. Once you click there, you just click on generate flashcard. Okay, and then continue with Google. Okay, and you can see some amazing things here, guys. Okay, one moment and we would be able to see the flashcards there. Yeah, see, so student, okay, sorry, high school, you can skip that, generate flashcards now see, it's generating some flashcards for us. So let's wait for a while. So see, what is the difference between Amazon SQS and FMS? Leave the answer. You have the answer. Next question, explain the key difference between SQS and FMS. And this is this things, so you can just reveal the answer. Okay, so you can create multiple questions from there. Okay, you have an option to select number of questions you want. Okay, we can do a list view, and you can get all the questions consolidated here. Okay, isn't that amazing, guys? So definitely check out this extension. Okay, next one is ChatID. Okay, ChatID is one of the tools which creates an avatar like thing, and it actually speaks and chats to you. You can just start a chat with them, and then you can enjoy it. Like for example, if I say hello, so I'll get a response from there. Okay, Okay, so see, we have 4 out of 6 chats left, and you can really chat with the AI directly there. Very amazing. So you can go to this chat website called as chat.d-id.com, and you can do or create an avatar and talk to yourself or talk to a a real chat bot. Okay, that's also interesting website. Another one is the Nvidia Canvas, which has been recently released. It's an AI tool to turn simple brush strokes into realistic landscape images or any sorts of images. Create background quickly or speed up your concept exploration so that you can spend more time visualizing ideas. So we have a beta version available right now to download, and it does something like that. Okay, so you can just do something like this. Okay, see, you can just brush contents and you can just see that it automatically over you can see the lightnings, etc. You can change the lightnings, and you can also put different mountains there. Okay, so amazing, guys. So overall this is and you can download this from here definitely and just try it out in your system. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.